Let's go to Mayor Mamay. Mayor, a lot of destinations or provinces in the Philippines, local governments in the Philippines do have a lot of ecotourism destinations. And Articaria has actually emphasized earlier the role of community-based tourism. Mayor, how do you think local governments can support community-based enterprises, tourism, insofar as the ecotourism is concerned?
Good afternoon, everyone. So, all local government units, especially those municipalities or cities that have the potential when it comes to ecotourism, must create this local tourism development plan as it highlights the vision and mission of the local government units through local civic executives, dynamic and inclusive governance. So the introduction of the wetland management plan is a milestone for the conservation and protection of the wetland. Thus, the local tourism development council must be activated in order to help the tourism office in realization of its mission. And also, the local government unit must also empower the barangays in cultivating its ecotourism, because that is also part of their barangay tourism development plan. So, also, while the LGU conducts the research and evaluation at the same time for the assessment of the local ecotourism sites. So actually this creates, it also boosts the morale of the populace.
Thank you, Mayor. Actually, Mayor mentioned a very nice term, which is empowerment. And Mayor, maybe my follow-up question on that would be, what avenues can we use to increase empowerment at the community level?
Actually, for me, as a national, also an LMP, the League of Municipalities of the Philippines figure, so it would be great to see performing municipalities and cities sharing best practices when it comes to ecotourism. That promotes unified and cohesive ecotourism network that highlights dynamic and inclusive participation of the local civic executive in the process of developing and sustaining local ecotourism sites, which creates opportunities of employment and livelihood for everyone and for the region in particular. So actually, one thing also is the Department of Tourism must also empower the tourism officers in order for them to do their best for the development of the ecotourism sites. So, as a bulk of job, when it is done properly or when it is delivered properly, so this will lead to the efficient and effective leadership of the local civic executive.
Okay, so we have seen that our panelists do have a unified view on implementing the NESAP, and their common denominator is on education. Because pursuing ecotourism, pursuing sustainability, goes beyond all as well the green principles that we have, and also the people, planet, profit, and focus on the people component, which is education. And without education, it would be very difficult, Mayor, right, to empower people to support this national ecotourism plan and action plan. And without the support of communities, of the public, then it will all be for naught, because the support is not there. And even if our government, both at the national and local, are very active in promoting this and pursuing this, it would be difficult to reap tangible output because of the lack of support at the ground. And probably before we close, maybe we can ask for some final words from our panelists on inviting our audience to support the National Ecotourism Strategy and Action Plan. How can they support their own initiatives? Mayor Mamay?
Okay, for me, what's important is the collaboration of all the agencies, the national governments with other sectors, so that we'll be able to attend whatever we want to attend. Then at the same time, the very important also factor for us to consider, especially in our case in the Mindanao, we are prone when it comes to family feud among Muslims, so we should not overlook this. Because knowing the fact, in our case, I will speak on behalf of my area of responsibility, Municipality of Manungan, which had been labeled as the Reno capital in the province of Lanao del Norte. So now, I can say generally it's peaceful during my time. So we should not overlook when it comes to the stability of the peace and order, because everything cannot be made possible without this. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Mayor Mama. And that's all the time we have for this panel discussion. Let's give a round of applause to our panelists. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po.